Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert data charts in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now before starting, I want you to make sure that you have already updated your Google Chrome to the latest version before proceeding with anything else, as doing this, we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may encounter along the way. Also, don't worry if this is your first time using Google Sheets, or if you're a beginner, or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of this one, because I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now we can get started. If you are a beginner on this, please do check out the beginner's guide on how to use Google Sheets that we have already uploaded on our YouTube channel. You can check that by checking our videos or even a playlist that compiles all the Google Sheets tutorial here on our YouTube channel. Now let us start inserting the image or the data chart in our Google Sheets. All you have to do is to focus on the upper panel of our screen, in which you can see the different tabs below the file name right over here. From here, you need to focus on the Insert tab by clicking on this one. And now as you can see, it will drop down tons of options that we can choose from. And from here, we need to click on Chart. Click on the Chart one, and now from here, as you can see, we have our chart editor on the right side of our screen. And from our right side, we got the chart type. You can choose if you want a line chart, area chart, column chart, bar chart, and many more. You can even choose a map. But for our case, I will focus on the column chart. Click on it. You can choose stacking, a stacked column chart, 100% stacked column chart, but by default it is set to none. Now let us start by inputting any data in our Google Docs. And as you can see, as I type in datas, it actually updates as well live. Now you can edit your chart. As you can see, it is now currently closed. You can also move it around if you wish. You can resize it if you want. But in order for you to edit your chart, once again, you have to click on the three dots icon, click on edit chart, and as you can see, we got the data range right over here. Now from data range, as you can see, it's currently set to A5 because it is where our data is located. But you can change it if you wish. Let's say for example, you want it till A3 only. You can do that as well. As you can see, it now decreases. You can add a series as well if you wish. You can add multiple series. You can add labels to this series and many more. You can close this series. You can use row 1 as headers. Let's say for example, you can switch rows and many more. Now you can customize your charts using the customize icon right over here. Let's say for example, the series, you want the line color to be different. Let's say for example, on your chart style, you want the border color to be red. As you can see, it is now turned red. You can edit many more over here. Grid lines, you can change the grid lines, the vertical axis, the horizontal axis, but by default it is set like this, as you can see. As simple as that, we can insert a chart data in our Google Sheets. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.